In today's GreenGeeks tutorial video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to host your website using GreenGeeks web hosting, one of the fastest and most eco-friendly hosting providers out there. Whether you're starting a blog, building a business site, or launching an online store, I'll walk you through the entire process from signing up to getting your site live on the web. I'll also be providing you with a GreenGeeks discount, saving you money on your web hosting purchase, plus you get a free domain name. If you're ready to go green with your website and get it online fast, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do to host a website on GreenGeeks is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to GreenGeeks and so you can take advantage of the GreenGeeks discount. You'll get GreenGeeks web hosting for as low as $2.95 a month plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from GreenGeeks at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome GreenGeeks discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll land on the GreenGeeks web hosting page. Go ahead and click the View Plans button. You'll see three hosting options: Lite, Pro, and Premium. All three plans include some fantastic features like a free domain, free SSL certificate, daily backups, 24/7 customer support, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and an eco-friendly touch with 300% green energy match and one tree planted with every plan. Here's a quick breakdown. Lite plan, perfect for beginners or anyone building just one website. The plan comes with one website, standard performance, 50 email accounts, and 50 gigabytes of web space. Pro plan, a great choice for growing websites or if you need more flexibility. This plan comes with unlimited websites, unlimited email accounts, unlimited web space, enhanced performance, on-demand backups, WordPress repair tool, which secures WordPress core files, updates WordPress, themes, and plugins, optimizes your database, resets admin passwords, restores default config files, and more. Premium plan, built for performance and scalability, with everything in the Pro plan, plus free dedicated IP address, Alpha SSL certificate with a site security badge and $10,000 limited warranty, object caching with Memcache and Redis for faster load times. The dedicated IP means your site won't share an IP with others, which can enhance security and email deliverability. And while all plans come with a free Let's Encrypt SSL, the premium plan upgrades you to Alpha SSL for even stronger trust and protection. Lastly, object caching helps you speed up your site by saving database query results, so your site loads faster without reloading the same data over and over. Once you've chosen the plan that works best for you, go ahead and click the Get Started button. For this tutorial, I'm going with the Lite plan. You'll now land on the domain setup page where you can register a new domain or use one you already own. If you're registering a new domain, it's completely free when you select an annual hosting plan. Just type in the name you want, then use the drop-down next to it to pick your desired domain extension like .com, .net, or .org. Already have a domain from another registrar? No problem. Just enter it in the box on the right. Once you've entered your domain, click the Next button to continue. Now you're on the account creation page. Fill in your details, then scroll to the account plan section. Here, you can choose your billing term. Tip, the 12-month plan gives you the best pricing and includes a free domain. You can also change your server location. Just click the Change Location button and pick what's best for your audience. In the Essential Add-ons section, you'll notice domain locking and total DNS control are included for free. If you register a domain with GreenGeeks, you'll also see ID Protect, WHOIS Privacy. Here's why that's important. When you register a domain, your personal info like name, phone, and email gets added to the public WHOIS database unless you use domain privacy. This feature replaces your info with GreenGeeks default contact, protecting you from spammers, scammers, and unwanted calls. I highly recommend keeping this enabled, but you can uncheck it if you prefer. Scroll back up to review your total. You'll see the free domain discount applied if you chose an annual plan, and the overall savings will be clearly listed. Once everything looks good, scroll down, enter your payment information, and click Create Account. That's it. You've officially signed up for GreenGeeks web hosting. You'll receive a confirmation email and receipt along with your login details to access the GreenGeeks dashboard. And from there, we'll start building your WordPress website. You'll see the GreenGeeks Quick Launch Wizard. You'll see the options where you can start a new website, migrate a website, starter site, and skip this. I'll choose to skip this as I'm going to be going over how to create your site in this tutorial. I'm here in the GreenGeeks dashboard. You can get to this by clicking Dashboard in the left side menu. If you click the Manage button, this is where you can manage your hosting account. You'll see your GreenGeeks name servers listed here in case you need them. I'll click the Dashboard button in the left side menu. We now want to install and set up WordPress so we can begin building a website with GreenGeeks web hosting. Click the cPanel button. You'll now be taken to the GreenGeeks cPanel page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to the Softaculous Apps Installer. You'll see WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click this. You'll see the Install button. Click this. You'll now be on the WordPress setup page where you see the Choose a Protocol. It'll be set to HTTPS. Keep this selected. Next, choose a domain that you want to have for the WordPress installation. Next, put in the site name, site description. Over to the right, put in the admin username, which will be the username for logging into WordPress. Put in a password and an email address. Scroll down and you can select and unselect any plugins you'd like to have. I recommend keeping the Lightspeed Cache plugin selected, as this will speed up your site. Over to the right, you'll see Extended Settings. You can choose to select plugin theme sets. I'm not going to select anything. You'll see you can change the language for WordPress if you'd like. Next, if you click Advanced Options, there are selections you can select if you'd like. I'm going to keep these as they are. You can put in an email address for the WordPress installation details to be sent to. Click the Install button. WordPress is now being installed. It'll just take a few minutes. Once it is done installing, you will see congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Click the administrative URL to go to the WordPress dashboard. Something to note, I would bookmark the administrative URL as this is the easiest way to log into WordPress to begin creating your site. To log into WordPress, just enter your domain name with a /wp-admin, just like you see here. This will take you to the WordPress login page for your site. Once logged in, you'll be in the WordPress dashboard. Now we want to pick out a theme to begin creating a site. To pick out a theme for your site, find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes is where you can pick out a theme for your site. Next, click Add New Theme. You'll now see WordPress themes you can choose from. There are thousands of free themes to choose from. Now I want to show you how to access free professionally designed WordPress themes and how to edit them easily with the drag and drop editor. Type in Astra in the search field. Click the Install button. Then click the Activate button. Once it is done activating the theme, you want to find the Plugins tab in the side menu. Click Add Plugin. In the search field, type in Starter Templates. You want to click Install on it, then click Activate. Once it is done activating the plugin, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over the Appearance tab in the side menu. Click on Starter Templates. You'll see how you would like to build your website. I'll select the classic Starter Templates. Click the Build with Templates button. Choose Elementor for the page builder. If you ever see something other than Elementor showing up at the top, just click from the drop-down and select Elementor. It'll now showcase a bunch of WordPress themes you can build your site with using drag and drop. You can type in the type of website you want to create to pull up templates based on that. You'll see a bunch of categories you can hover over and select to build your site. If you click a theme, it'll show you what it will look like so you can preview it. Click the X button to go back to the themes page. Something I want to mention, any of the templates, no matter the category, what they are called, can be used for your website. You can easily change it and edit the templates to what you like when creating your WordPress site. Just find a template you like and then you can start making it your own no matter what category the template is in. Select the theme you want. In the search field, I'll type in Mountain. You'll see this template here called Mountain. I'll select this theme. You can upload a logo if you'd like. You can do this at a later time, so if you don't have one now, no worries. You can now choose the font and colors for your site. You can update these at a later time or change them whenever you'd like. I covered this later in the video. Click the Continue button. You'll now be on the Select Features page. Feel free to select any features you want. I'll click Skip this step. You'll now be on the Tell us a little about yourself page. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to. Just make sure under Advanced Options you have each one selected. Click the Submit and Build My Website button. It'll begin building your website. Once it is done, you'll be on the Congratulations page. Click the View Your Website button. It'll take you to your website and what it looks like. To make edits to your site, click the Edit with Elementor tab at the top of the page. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can easily make changes to your site. You can click on something and then put in the text you want. If you click Style, you can make changes to the style. You can click on something and move things around. If you click the plus icon here at the top left of the page, you can easily drag stuff over from the left into the page where you want. You can click an image to put in your own image. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Drag Widgets section, click the Starter Templates icon. Click Blocks in the menu. You can then choose from lots of block templates that you can add to your site. I'll click one. I'll click the Import Block button. It's now been added to the page. To change the background color of a section, right-click in the top section. Click Edit section. Click Style. Where you see color, click into this to change the color to what you'd like. If you want to change a background image for a section, right-click in this top section. Click Edit Container. Click Style. You'll see the image here. Click into it. And you can upload an image or choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. Next, click Background Overlay. Click into Color. You can change the background color. Where you see opacity, you can drag this over to get it how you like. If you want to add a new section to the page, hover over an area on the page where you want to add the new section. Click the plus icon. Click the plus icon showing again. Next, select Flexbox. Next, choose the structure for the section. Click the plus icon here at the top. You can then drag stuff into this section. To remove a section, hover over it and click the X button to remove it. If you want to move this section to somewhere else on the page, just hover over it and click the middle icon with the dots. You can drag it up or down to move it to somewhere else on the page. To edit the contact form shown here on the Contact Us page, from the WordPress dashboard, click on WP Forms. Hover over the Contact Us form showing here. Click Edit underneath it. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can make edits to your contact form. If you want to make edits to the menu on your site, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance and click Menus. This is where you can edit the menu on your site. If you have multiple menus on your site, you'll be able to select them from the Select a Menu to Edit area. Click the Select button to select the menu you want to edit. You can add new pages to the menu or drag a page to a different order. If you click the tiny arrow, you can change the name of it or completely delete it from the menu. If you want to create a completely new menu, you can click Create a New Menu. If you want to edit the footer, header, and logo of your site, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance in the left side menu and click Customize. To edit the footer, click Footer. You can then click an area in the footer area where you see the pencil icon to start making edits to that section. You can click the X button to remove that area from the footer. To edit the header area of your site, scroll up to the top of the page. If you click into the header area of your site on something, you can make edits. If you want to remove something in the header, just find it here and click the X button to remove it from the header. In this section, you can move things around to change the look of the menu area to get it how you like it. If you click the pencil icon where you see the logo, it'll pull up where you can remove the current logo and add your own logo. I'm going to click the back arrow twice. If you click Site Identity, you can then upload a favicon, which is the site icon for your site. If you click Site Title and Logo Settings, you'll be able to change the site title for your site. You'll see Tagline, as we can change the tagline for your site. I'll click the back button twice. If you click Global, Typography is where you can change the fonts used for your site. Colors is where you can change the colors for your site. Buttons is where you can change the button presets and colors used. And that's it. That's how to host a website on GreenGeeks step by step. I hope you found this GreenGeeks web hosting tutorial helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below to let us know. Your feedback really helps us improve future tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful GreenGeeks tutorials and website building tips.